Morning, free rangers. Hope y'all weren't in my house, left my door open. Sure you probably were. That was my fault. Y'all look hungry. Y'all are good chickens. I know, I got to pet you. I don't get to pet my chickens. My chickens ain't cool like that. Alright, free rangers. Got some quail to take care of. Some indoor quail. Flirting with death, y'all. Y'all are flirting with death. You know what that is, chickens. Yeah. I love the free rangers. I joke about stuff like that. These guys are cool. Alright, quail are moved. That's good. They got fresh ground, they're happy. Fresh food, fresh water. Yeah, they're good to go. If you were wondering, I got 22 of these guys in here. Got 11 inside that need it. Another 40 in a pool. So I'll show you that here in a second. So, yeah. I think my morning chores is about done. That's a good thing. I do have to do a few other things, but they're not a necessity right now. So it's a wonderful day. Garden's looking pretty, what's left of it. But I really need those quail moved today, guys. Really. I'm gonna finish these guys up, put their boards around them, and I'll get back with you here in a second. You guys are so cute doing your little hops. Alright, change your water, change your food. It's about 40 quail in a pool right there. We're good little guys. Hey, Bun Buns. Yeah. Now who's your friend, huh? Yeah. You're the best. You're the best rabbit, Guinevere. Yes, you are. Rabbits vary from animal to animal. Obviously, like people. But she is a loving girl. She loves to be petted. She's a good rabbit. Rabbits love to have their little foreheads petted. That's normal rabbit stuff, I guess, to groom each other. And it almost trances them. And that's when you get to love on your rabbit. You never want to scare a rabbit, guys. You can actually scare a rabbit to death. It's true. Hey, Blackjack. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? You know, it's always best for the rabbit to come to you instead of you going to the rabbit, because rabbits are prey animals and you don't want to freak them out. It's just natural for them to hide and, you know, but these guys here, I've handled them a lot. And Blackjack here used to be skittish, but then he really grew to love me, didn't you, buddy? Didn't you, Blackjack? You good bunny. Good bunny, buddy. Want me to pet you some more? Of course you do. Of course you do. You're a good boy, and you've been a good father so far, I guess. But yep, rabbits are prey animals. You want some hay, buddy? You want some hay, buddy? If you want to get one of these rabbits for a pet, I recommend you get a male. Generally, the males are more loving. This guy here he's a great bunny. Yeah, you are, buddy. Alright, you gotta move, buddy. I'm gonna lock you up. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Black Pack Homestead. Quail are happy, fresh ground, fresh food, fresh water. Guys, they love it. It's good for you. You know, know where your food's coming from. I mean, that's just common sense. Alright guys, I'll be wrapping it up here. Quail are taken care of. Fresh food, fresh water, fresh ground. They love it. Animals are taken care of. I can go in and relax. Got a few experiments I gotta check on. You'll be seeing those in upcoming videos. So, thank you guys for all your support. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And God bless y'all. Till next time, Black Pack Homestead. Bye-bye.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.